Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 12 CBSE Maths Continuity and Differentiability. Exercise 5.1 question number 28. Let's see the question. The function is defined by f of x is equal to kx plus 1 if x is less than or equal to pi, and it is cos x if x is greater than 1. They also given that it is continuous at x is equal to pi. They asked us to find the value of k. So given that this is continuous, that means we are going to take pi. On the left hand limit it is given the f of x to be kx plus 1. On the right side, that is when x is greater than pi, it is cos x. So this is your left hand limit, this is your right hand limit, this is pi negative and this is your pi positive. Given that it is continuous, that means limit x tends to pi negative, f of x is equal to limit x tends to pi positive f of x. LHL is equal to RHL. It is given that the left hand limit is equal to the right hand limit because it is continuous. So your left hand and right hand limit will be in equal to. I have just substituted the left hand limit and right hand limit. Now in the place of f of x you can substitute kx plus 1 is equal to limit x tends to k positive, f of x value is cos x on the right hand limit. Substitute the value of pi on both the cases, it becomes k into pi plus 1. Wherever you see x, just substitute the value pi. Now we should know cos pi. I will teach you one easy way to find a cos pi. I am taking the graph, that is here 0, here pi by 2 90 degree, here it is pi 180 degree, and here it becomes 3 pi by 2 270 degree. Now taking 1 unit on each side, if I take 1 unit on each side, here this will be 1 comma 0, this will be 0 comma 1, here it becomes minus 1 comma 0, here it becomes 0 comma minus 1. Now I have taken 1 unit of each side on the x axis, on the y axis. We are taking x axis, it is 1 comma 0. On the left hand side it is minus 1 comma 0. On the top, that is on y axis, it is 0 comma 1. It is 0 comma minus 1. Now always remember CS. That is in the alphabetical order, cos comes first and then sin. So always remember CS. If it is CS, the first one is cos, the second one will be sin. So here cos and sin. Cos 0, value of cos 0 is 1, sin 0 will be 0. Same way cos pi by 2, that is cos 90 is 0, sin 90 is 1, and cos pi, that is cos pi is cos 180, which is minus 1. So you can write it to be minus 1. And similarly sin 180 is 0, cos 270 is 0, sin 270 is minus 1. This is the easy way of remembering these values. Now I have written it here. We need to find k, so bring all the elements with the k to that side, so it becomes k pi equal to minus 1 minus 1, k pi equal to minus 2, pi is equal to minus 2 by k. So sorry, k is equal to minus 2 by pi. We need to find k. So k is equal to minus 2 by pi is your answer. That's all with the sum. Thank you.